Hey, what's going on? Good morning to you. I'm James Bill, and I'm in here in my home just relaxing, as you can see in the back here. Listen to a little smooth jazz this morning. Got my cup of Joe, and I'm a work from home dad. This is what I do. Let me set this down. This is what I do. I get to sit back in the comfort of my own home, guys, and basically relax. I wake up, do a little exercise, I go for a walk, check my email, and I start working, open my laptop and start working online. But what I want to talk to you about today is the two key elements that's going to lead you to a six-figure income. They're very significant inside of your business, guys. Number one, you have to have the proper information. There's a lot of information out there. A lot of excuse me. There's a lot of information out there. YouTube, getting Google, and all over the web. But you have to have the proper information. And number two, you must have a good mentor, someone that has the success that you're trying to achieve, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoy your day like I'm gonna enjoy mine. And if this is your first time here, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I come back to you with, any type of motivation, inspiration, or strategies and methods that's gonna help you grow inside of your business, guys. God bless. See you on the next video.